morning, also in the daytime. All right. So the first thing what we're going to do, we're going to walk you through it and show you exactly. I have beetroot, lemon, red apple, cucumber, and ginger. So we're going to put all of this into a blender and we are going to blend it up and make this an amazing, incredible drink this morning. We can do this together, okay? Let's get the blender. Put this aside. All right. Just to advise you, sometime in the morning, I drink lemon water with apple cider vinegar, just to remind you guys, okay? A good vibes. So let's go straight into it and do this together. So we got apple, beetroot, ginger, lemon, cucumber. I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients also. So the blender will be really piled up this morning, as you guys can see. Okay, that's how the blender look this morning. 100%, but a good vibes. We have to just keep it like this. You don't know the thing go. When we are in the kitchen, we do good stuff. All right. Yeah, man. Look at that. All right. No more can hold inside of it. Okay. So we're gonna put this aside. Excellent. So you guys can see that looks amazing and fantastic right there so far. Looking really good. Really good. Get some water. We're gonna have to put a little bit of water inside of it. Not too much. You know. Yeah. That amount of water is good, roughly about half cups, about almost a cup of water. Okay, then put down that lid and we're gonna take it to the blend, all right, and make a little bit of a noise. Before we make the noise, just to remind you, you can also get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys to grab yourself a copy of the brand new book, all right, and support the progress. A good vibes. Let's blend this, make a little bit of a nice. Amazing and delicious. Look at this. Beautiful. And this is what you want to drink in the morning. If you're looking for something in the morning, this goes down really well for you, honestly. I got more inside of it. I will be squeezing out the rest when I finish. All right, but I want to keep you guys updated that you don't have to throw these. You can eat it. Okay, it's very good for us. Okay, so let's put this aside and then I'm going to finish it up. So this is all the juice look in the morning. So this is like good natural beetroot juice for drink in the morning. All right, yeah. But as I say, you guys have to you know what I mean, alkalize up the body, and you know what I mean, detoxing up the body, and then I'm going straight into this. Yeah, it's an amazing, incredible juice, which I will encourage you to try at home. All right, you know, every morning I normally make juice. Yeah, every morning. If you guys are watching my program, you can see that I make a lot of juice in the morning. Wow, as you can see, look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing, very, very simple and very effective. Okay, so yeah, very, very powerful drink to drink in the morning, 100% natural, and you don't need to add any sugar, sweetener, or honey. You just drink it naturally as it is. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe because it's beautiful. Okay, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, good vibes, and remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's available for every one of you guys to grab yourself a copy of the book. Okay, good vibes. See you tomorrow, another day with more recipes, and yeah, we will just give you more and more recipes as we goes on. Beautiful recipes for you to try at home. Enjoy it.